Hey everyone, how you doing? So today I am gonna work on my existing code base. So as I start to show you how I organize my large code base and how I use all the free AI tools, mostly ChatGPT, and how I vibe coding. So here just I show you, and as you guys see my video titles, that is 15 hours coding, and I code almost 14 to 15 hours every single day. So last 2 days I start to live streaming, and in this channel I used to upload uh, coding tutorial, but nowadays as I focus on my startup I don't have time much more, so that's why I couldn't upload any video for last 2 months. But I decided, okay, let's share, because it's been 112 days. I learned a lot of things, so I thought let's share with you guys, and now here I am. And I have learned all the things by doing. So I end up with this code base, almost 65,000 line of codes, and I use a different type of architecture and pattern throughout my project. So my project is built with Next.js app router and bunch of other technology. So yeah, and I'm building AI native collaborative editing platform. It's kind of like uh, canvas and documenting. Two surfaces are exist in my uh, project, that is canvas and documenting. So canvas is all about where you can organize your complex tasks, and where you can visualize your complex tasks, and you can break down your complex tasks, so you can generate pretty much anything. And on the other side, in the document surface, you can you can document anything about your text, note, business startup. And as nowadays I'm implementing AI, so AI can replace the manual tasks. So there is no anymore you have to do manually. Just you have to ask AI, and AI can do a job for you. So that's my right now ultimate goal. My long-term vision is very simple. One human can run entire a company. So that's why we have to build a agentic system. But now I'm not building agent fully autonomous, but it's more like AI assistant. But under the hood there is a agentic system, but not more of it. Okay, anyways, so that was the intro, and yeah, let's see. So now I'm just mm, there is, I think, in the edge. Let's see, is there any issue? Here you go. I got on issue. So let's fix. I think I have. First, I want to say that I already provide my all code base in this chat session and my architecture rules and the things I'm building. So this chat session understand my context, right? So here I know what will I get. So there is no unknown code. Just AI can solve that particular problem. So just I will just copy paste. But if you think just I'm copy paste, but under the hood I know my code base very well. So because I already note down how my code base work and the system, the flow, the file structure. So and I want to say also is that chatbot is not reliable at all. To make it reliable, what you can do, just provide the right information based on what you want to build. So as I told you, um, in each project, if you look at my ChatGPT project organization, so I just organize based off my use case. So anyways, here also I getting the mismatch. So the mismatch is between this command and mutation. So this is the so my command and it's not equal. So this is the forward and this is the routing. Uh, so, so I think if you guys don't use TypeScript, I encourage you to use because TypeScript is very helpful to debug. Okay, now I got an issue, so I can understand. And I also know the issue. So I have the structure mismatch, right, between command and mutation. So to understand this pipeline, so if you have you heard about CR query request and then read segregation? So that's the pipeline I have in this core. Okay, so this is a transaction, and then I have commands, then mutation layer. So mutation layer work with the source of truth, which is in my case a runtime state. So that's the graph system. So if you hear first time what I'm building, so to give you sense of what I'm building, so it's kind of like this is a mirror. Okay, so if you have DSA knowledge, so you can understand the nodes, edge. So this is a system, right? And yeah, so this type of this is called node, and this is called edge. So right now I'm just creating this system, and so yeah, it's called node and it's called edge. So I'm building these two system, right? So yeah, anyways, the problem is, so if you look at, I have this payload ID and routing, but here I have also payload. But now if I hover on it, I can see this. So how I debug? So let's say I'm alone, so I can read the entire prompt and I can solve. But if you read, so I did a lot of time. Okay, so but now, so in this chat or in this chat, yeah, I can understand because I chat. So now I just paste and ask you, and I also paste the context and also the target source, which is this one. And here also this is another target source. So I know where is the bug, so that's why. And then I'm asking like this: tell me what is the error, why I'm getting it, and how can I fix it. This is the minimal prompt. Why it works? Because this chat session understand. If I ask in different chat, that chat might be not answering the way I want, because this chat session understand my context, so it can give me accurate answer. That's why I told you, if you if you want a deterministic answer from chatbot, you have to provide. So yeah, this is the error, and type string is not assignable to type. So like if you use, why it is not suggesting. I got you. I got you. The path is missing, but VS Code is not suggesting me. So what I'm doing? Okay, so I already have. Just I need to where my code. copy, and then this is the part. Now, now it's been fixed. Yeah. Now it takes time. So this is a compiling issue. Now it's been fixed. Okay. So now the error is gone. Right. So if you know the TypeScript regarding issue, so like as I told you, it's been 2 years. I'm just working this way every single day, 15 hours. So almost I know where is the bugs, and because even I just asked ChatGPT to just create faster, because in this project I'm alone, so I have to use as fast as I can, and then I can debug through learning. That's why I learn by doing, as I told you. And anyways, so yeah, I have completed my transaction builder. So this is the edge, and yeah, this is the edge. This is the node. This is the relationship. So let me go to uh, this is the mirror, and that was my plan, and I execute one by one. That's awesome, right? Now I have document. So document means so this is a notion, and I'm trying to build this type of functionality, but it's not fully notion because I want something. Yeah. So now it's time to build these things, and yeah. So yeah, we have to build edge builder. So as I decided not to create or implement this bulk related code base in my builder layer. So am I right? So this can be used through mutation, because mutation and atomic state changing. Am I right? So right now, what I'm asking this chatbot, so this chatbot can understand the context because I provide all the previous context, right? So that's why if you look at the answer, yes, and the reason is actually deeper than just mutation is atomic. So based on your architecture, I would remove this entirely and also remove this unless you later discover a real performance or UX requirement. So yeah, I got the answer. Now I ask to, yeah, I have complete my canvas surface all the builder, and now it's time to build document. So here you go, and now here I paste, and also this one as well, and now I just give create these files to to write properly and understand the relationship. You can take a look the reference. And the fun fact is chatbot cannot understand the previous memory or context. So it might be forgetting your previous conversation. So yeah, I also observed like I got the mismatch structure because of this, but almost can summarize your previous things. Chatbot is very yeah, it's not deterministic. To make it deterministic, all you can do is just provide the context. That's why I have here all the my project related uh, document. So I document what I build, what I refactor, like that. So here also I should provide the context. So as it writing builder, so I have to provide the document mutation. Uh, okay, document mutation. This is the mutation layer. I have documentation type, so it can one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, here you go. Now you can generate properly, and also have to give the command. Let's give the command. It's the command layer, and it's the document. Now, if you look at the answer, so now it's generate or maybe ask me some question, right? So it asks me like remove this builder block, okay, and duplicate is not runtime operation. Yeah, it's true. Now, so it create all the code base, and this code now it's a deterministic. If you look at the pattern is same pattern. The pattern is very pretty much same, right? So the pattern is same. That's why now I just copy paste. If you look at the pattern, it's same. So first you have to understand the context, what you're building. You have to understand mentally your entire pipeline, right? Then if you do so, then it would be very easy to like write code, because writing code is no more complex. So here I have to create the document inside builder. Okay. block. So here, it seems I'm doing copy pasting, but it's not. I already understand. So if you look at the code pattern is very deterministic, right? So the pattern is very similar. Look at the code pattern is similar. I've already researched about this, and now I'm just writing faster. My code base is very separation of concern because I just module my code base as clean as I can, and there is no decoupling coupling concept in my code base. So each layer can scale independently. They are not couple each other, but yeah, they can be dependent because without dependency, code cannot run. But coupling, it's not a good idea. There is also optimization. Yeah, so this file I don't need, but now I just yeah, I will later modify if I need. And yeah, so this way I write faster code because now writing is not complex anymore. But you have to understand first your code base. Then you can ask right question, and you have to gather enough information about your architecture. This is the vibe coding session. Okay, I got the error. Okay, I'll fix that. got some issue from here. However, let's see. So mismatch between these two. Close all those, and then here you go. And there is a mismatch. So this is the right block ID, old new pattern, and this is a mutation layer. So and document types is not okay. Document type, I think it's a payload. Let's see. There is a fully mismatch about. So here I'm asking which structure is good and why. Let's see what it gives you answer, because I know the mutation is uh, correct. Now tell me, my mutation object field or object structure is correct, or my comment structure is correct, and why? Which one is correct? Tell me as well. How can I fix it? Now I change this, but how can I then update my mutation and then builder layer? Because still I'm getting that those error. This is my document runtime system. Now tell me how can I fix it exactly? Give me those solutions.
between payload and mutation layer have mismatch structure. So tell me which one is correct and how can I fix it? Tell me in this architecture why would be the best choice if I delete this duplicate builder? If I delete a duplicate builder, should I delete the command duplicate as well or what? Or do I keep it inside comment layer as well as builder layer? Maybe I already set up a right direction, but my builder I messed up one. So can you fix it? First tell me my duplicate block command is a is a is that production ready direction or something else, and then fix my builder. Or if you think mutation also right, so don't write mutation layer, but if you think mutation also wrong, so provide those code fully. Okay, so now I have complete my block document builder. So okay, now this section also is being completed. Okay, now I think here you go. Some okay. So I have complete this section as well. So my transaction builder is being completed. Now I move toward uh, the mutation layer. Okay. So now I have to commit. Now complete the transaction layer for canvas and document. So now it's time to take some food and uh, take shower. So in 15 minutes I'll back. So I should stop the live stream. I can hang on and then, but I don't want that. Let's stop. It's been 1 hour. Okay, that's pretty much.